Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Creator Joy. This is wrong way. Wait and see for right way. Lasso Tool. Right click, feather 5, then OK. Press Ctrl J. Press Ctrl J again. Right click here, create clipping mask. Press Ctrl and hold, then mark this layer and then press Ctrl G. Select this layer and press Ctrl T. Right click and then click warp. Press enter. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel Tech Creator Joy and hit the bell button to watch my new tutorial. Thanks for watching.